We're going to show you how to see liked posts on Instagram. Instagram keeps track of the posts you've liked, allowing you to revisit your favorite content anytime you want. Whether you want to rediscover a memorable post or simply keep track of what you've enjoyed, accessing your liked posts is easy. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to see liked posts on Instagram. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the Options menu. This menu provides access to various settings and features. Find here the option, Your Activity, and tap it. In the Activity zone, tap on the Likes option. Tap on this option to view the posts you've liked on Instagram. Instagram will display a grid of all the posts you've liked on the platform. You can scroll through this grid to revisit your favorite content. From the grid of liked posts, you can tap on any post to view it in full screen, like it again, comment on it, or share it with others. Take your time to explore and interact with your liked posts. And there you have it. You've successfully seen your liked posts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.